methods, we would take approximately this quantity, which is enough to cover the entire face and neck area. We just gently massage it into our skin, and voila, it gives the skin a nice, healthy look. I recommend that our patients use a regular Q-tip, but cut it in half, because most dark spots are really small, and we want to avoid rubbing our product around the spot because the normal skin will get lighter faster than the spot. So we put a very small amount of the gel on the end part of the Q-tip, and we literally sit it right in the middle of each spot.